Finally, there is some real info on One UI 7 update. And yes, Samsung is about to roll out this update with some big changes. Samsung should launch the beta version of One UI 7 in July, but they delayed the launch due to bug fixes, and Google is also the reason for it. But now, according to the source on Twitter, One UI 7 development is progressing. Galaxy S24 new internal test build updated on the server from 5 to 6. This actually happens before Samsung actually launched the next version of One UI. Now this is not it. According to Sam Mobile, One UI 7 could release soon, and here's the reason. Samsung locals have started testing the One UI 7 beta update, and this only happens when Samsung is closer to the launch of a new One UI version, which means Samsung is finally ready to roll out the beta version of a One UI 7. Samsung usually launch beta version in selected countries including Germany, China, South Korea, Poland, UK, USA, and India. Did you guys know the Ridge wallets are back in stock with the limited edition DKHD skin? You can check the product list to get one for yourself before it goes out of stock. Now, when asked from US moderator for a beta version, he said, "We are not disclosing any fixed date yet, but we will communicate the date once the decision is made through our Samsung members." This was a similar story from Sam Mobile, "once the decision is made." Now, Samsung's goal is to put out the stable version of One UI 7. Earlier rumors suggest that there are a bunch of bugs in One UI 7 that could be the reason for the delayed launch. Also, TM Ru is said to be personally overseeing the development, which means Samsung decided to delay the release of One UI 7 beta update to give us the stable software experience. And do you guys know why? Because Samsung is putting out the biggest updates ever on a One UI 7. This is a leaked video showing off the new status bar expanding feature on One UI 7, and there was a large crowd bashing Samsung for copying Apple. I know when you look to the feature, it does seems like Samsung put a dynamic island on Android phone, but let's be honest, it's a cool feature. If it's this way or other, even if Samsung copied Apple, still it is a good feature to have on Android phone. Although Samsung put the status bar on the left, which differentiates the One UI 7 and dynamic island. The second feature might be a game changer for Samsung phones, and that is the smoother animations. People hate what Samsung do with the animations, and Ice Universe was one of the biggest critique of Samsung animations, but even Ice is satisfied with the new animations on One UI 7. According to him, although the animations of One UI 7 is full of bugs at present, it has to be admitted that its response speed is better than that of One UI 6.1, and you can experience it in the beta version. After Samsung fixes these bugs, One UI 7 has a bright future. If you're willing to update, don't try it on your main phone. It has a lot of bugs reported, so use it on a spare phone. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a product listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.